Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel to easily find sales data for a specific month. This is a must-know skill if you are dealing with large data sets. Let's jump right in. Here I have an Excel sheet with two columns. In column A we have the 12 months of the year and in column B we have the corresponding sales data for each month. Let's say we want to know the sales for March. Instead of manually searching through the list, we can use the VLOOKUP function to do this instantly. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It's used to search for a value in the first column of a range and return a value from another column in the same row. In our case, we will search for a month and return the sales for that month. Let's write our VLOOKUP formula. Select the cell and type =sign VLOOKUP. The first thing we need to enter is the lookup value, which is the month we want to find. Since we are looking for sales for March, I will select the cell inside the formula. Next, we need to tell Excel where to search. This is done by defining the range of data. Our table array is from A2 to B13, which includes both the months and the sales data. The third part of the formula is the column index number. This tells Excel which column we want the result from. Since the sales data is in column B, which is the second column of our range, here we type 2. Finally, we need to specify whether we want an exact match or an approximate match. Since we are looking for the exact sales for March, we will type false here. This tells Excel to find an exact match for March. Once we have everything in place, press enter and here's the result. Excel has found the sales data for March instantly. Let's try another example. If we want to find the sales for July, we simply change the lookup value to July and Excel will return the sales for that month as well. And that's it. The VLOOKUP function is a great way to quickly find data in large spreadsheets. Just remember the key elements: your lookup value, the range of data, the column index number, and whether you want an exact match. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tutorials. Thank you.